How's my DIY bird feeder doing, you may ask? It's doing fantastic, really. They love it. They don't need to spot the land. They'll just land right there in that seed. It's empty right now because it got super windy the other night and all the seed blew out. Let's refill it. We keep the seed over here. Keep my stuff everywhere. I'm a very cluttered individual. It's a super easy bird feeder to fill. You just kind of take your little cup of seed and just chuck it right in there. Follow me for more ideas, tips, helpful hints, and just overall better lifestyle.